So today, guys, my pet bird died. His name is Mayo, R.I.P. He's under this rock. So I wrote it on something like the marker, and then I got some sticks like coffee stirrers or something and made a cross out of it. And he's under here. So why did he die? I'm gonna explain to you how he died. At night time, when we're gonna sleep, we always open the aircon. So I put the baby bird somewhere like behind the bed, and then maybe he got too cold and he died. That's why, guys. So yeah, that's it for today.